This video is for all the professionals working on the profile of supervisors, furniture, and fixtures manufacturing and are willing to migrate to or work in Canada. It will provide you an in-depth knowledge about the National Occupational Classification Code of Supervisors, Furniture, and Fixtures Manufacturing. So, let's start the video.
Hi, I am Lily and welcome to our channel A to Z Immigration Updates. We make informational and latest news videos regarding global immigration. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get the most updated immigration news and information. In Canada, every skill profile has a unique code that is called National Occupational Classification Code or NOC Code. This code tells us about the detailed information associated with the profile and regarding the key parameters like profile description or profile lead statements, key responsibility area and AMP, main job duties, employment requirements, alternative and illustrative job titles in exclusion. So, first of all, let's see the NOC code and its description for the profile of this video.
The National Occupation Classification Code or NOC code for the profile of supervisors, furniture, and fixtures manufacturing is 9224. As per Statistics Canada, the profile description of supervisors, furniture, and fixtures manufacturing is as follows. Supervisors in this unit group supervise and coordinate the activities of workers who manufacture furniture and fixtures made of wood or other materials. They are employed in furniture and fixtures manufacturing establishments.
Key responsibility area. Human Resources and Skill Development Canada has defined a proper set of job roles for every NOC code. There is not any fixed guideline for meeting all the requirements. As per the recommendation of experts, a person should meet at least 50% of the job responsibilities mentioned in the NOC code. Now let's discuss the key job responsibilities associated with your profile. So, here we go.
Main job duties of supervisors, furniture, and fixtures manufacturing are as follows. Supervise, coordinate and schedule the activities of workers who assemble furniture and fixtures of any materials, operate woodworking machines and finish furniture to specified color or finish. Establish methods to meet work schedules and coordinate work activities with other departments. Resolve work problems and recommend work measures to improve productivity and product quality. Requisition materials and supplies. Train staff in job duties, safety procedures, and company policy. Recommend personnel actions such as hirings and promotions. Prepare production and other reports.
Employment requirements and other additional information. In this section, we will discuss the employment requirements for your profile. Every job has a specific set of employment requirements associated with it. The main employment requirements factors includes 1. Type and level of formal education. 2. Specific training or apprenticeship. 3. Experience in the same or other related occupations. 4. Licenses, certification and registration to practice in a regulated profession, extra. Before moving further, let's understand the employment eligibility requirements and other additional information associated with your profile.
Following are employment requirements for the profile of supervisors, furniture, and fixtures manufacturing. Completion of secondary school is usually required. Experience as a furniture and fixture assembler, woodworking machine operator, cabinet maker, or furniture finisher is usually required.
Illustrative job titles and exclusions. Every job role or employment can have multiple profile titles. So if you are not able to find the exact job title for your profile, then you need not to worry. Now we will see the list of illustrative and alternative titles for your profile. This section is a list of titles commonly used in the labor market. We will also see the exclusions list, that is the list of titles that cannot be covered under your profile. So let's have a glimpse of it.
Illustrative titles for the profile of supervisors, furniture, and fixtures manufacturing are as follows. Desk assembly foreman/woman. Furniture and fixtures manufacturing supervisor. Furniture assembly foreman/woman. Furniture finishers supervisor. The list is quite large, so, if you want to read all the alternative profile titles, then you can pause this video and can have a proper glimpse. Now let's see the exclusion list. Cabinet makers, C7272 cabinet makers. Contractors and supervisors, carpentry trades, C7204 contractors and supervisors, carpentry trades. Furniture and fixture assemblers and inspectors, C9532 furniture and fixture assemblers and inspectors. Furniture finishers and refinishers, C9534 furniture finishers and refinishers. So, this was all about the profile of supervisors, furniture, and fixtures manufacturing with NOC Code 9224.
We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited helps you to migrate to Canada on work permit or on PR. Our motive is to convert your immigration dreams into reality. We assist you in Canadian-style resume and cover letter preparation, mapping the best employment opportunities with your skill set, employment consultation and job search, online skill profile preparation and branding, education credential assessment filing Canada, migration skill assessment filing Australia, expression of interest EOI filing, LMIA, work visa, PR, business visa filing. If you need any further information, then you can contact our team of expert registered migration and employment consultants. Our team will help you to explore the employment, work visa and other immigration opportunities for your profile in Canada and Australia. Click on the booking link mentioned in the description to reserve an expert session for a detailed discussion to explore your immigration opportunities. We also assist employers to file LMIA with Employment and Social Development Canada (ESDC). So if you are an employer in Canada, we can help you to get the best manpower for your company. Canadian immigration is a merit-based immigration process, and your selection under most of the immigration programs depends upon your age, education, experience, English language capability, spouse's educations and experience, employment availability through LMIA, provincial nomination extra. We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited provide a one-stop online platform with all kind of immigration services for our global customers. You can have online consultancy sessions, assessment application filing and all kind of visa processing assistance by our team of experts. If you want to do a self-assessment and check your eligibility for immigration, then click on the link attached in the description and download our app to do your immigration assessment yourself. Also watch our other videos related to work visa filing and finding a job in Canada from your home country. So, if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the most updated information regarding global immigration. Thanks, and we will meet again with another informative video soon.